Hi, my name is Skylar Andrus, and I'm a senior, and my major is mass comm with an emphasis on film. And so to start, let's talk about Cousins and the first chapter. Um, I feel like Cousins has the right idea when he's talking about making films. That you always want to do something innovative and not do something that's the norm that kind of just goes with the fashion of movies. Um, I mean, I don't want to say that there's a genre that's that's a norm, but like action movies these days are kind of like the norm as to what everybody wants to go and see, and everybody thinks that it's going to be amazing. But you take a movie like Hugo that is in not a normal movie, um, not by any means. It's innovative. It tries something new. Um, it takes a story of a little kid that loses his father and does his very best to try and fix a machine just because he thinks that there's a message, but it ends up connecting a whole bigger story with movies and the girl's grandfather, which I can't remember his name, even though I just watched it. But they end up finding that like this robot was made because it could draw pictures of movies, or, and it was different, and it's what everybody who wants to be a filmmaker should strive to do, is they should strive to be different. Like whenever I try and make one of my videos for a class or even just for myself, I always try and do something different, not just the norm, not just what goes with everything else that everybody else is doing. It's how can I create a story that someone will want to watch, and how can I tell it in a way that someone else has never done before. And so that's when I make a movie. I try different camera angles. When I'm script writing, I try different ways to figure out how I want to get to the end. What is the meaning behind a character doing what he's doing? Um, Everything. Uh, Now to the point of the movie Hugo. I think my favorite part was when they finally got the robot to work, or animatron, I think that's what it's called. When they finally got that to work, and it drew the picture of the moon with the rocket in its eye, and it it basically began a bigger story than just fixing that robot to see what his dad said. Ended up connecting pieces that just went into a bigger picture of finding out that he was a great director that actually did all these films that stepped away. Um, but it was a good movie. It's something that I probably would have never watched. I mean, I've heard of it, and I knew it got tons of awards, but it was a great movie, and I'm glad I watched it. And what I'm looking forward to by taking this class is opportunities to watch other movies that maybe I wouldn't necessarily watch on my own, that kind of branches out my taste in movies, because I kind of fall into the same with everybody else, that I like to watch action movies and stuff like that. But I'm really looking forward to this class, and thank you.